Connective Tissues Part 2 Blood. Story of blood. Blood is the fluid connective tissue. It is made up of various components as shown. Let us know about blood. The study of blood is called hematology. Blood is an opaque, red-colored, slightly alkaline fluid. We can diagnose our wellness or illness through blood. Not all animals have red-colored blood. Example, blood in cockroach is white, and the blood of a snail is blue in color. Our heart pumps about 36,000 liters of blood for a distance of 20,000 kilometers in 24 hours. Normal adult human beings have about 5 liters of blood. The major component of blood is water, which is present in plasma. The nutrients present in the blood are glucose, amino acids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, hormones, etc. And excretory products in the blood are urea, lactic acid, salts, etc. Plasma also contains serum, along with the blood clotting factors as shown. Heparin in the blood helps to prevent clotting in blood vessels. Blood cells are called corpuscles. There are 3 types of corpuscles: RBC, WBC, and platelets. The process of formation of blood cells is called hemopoiesis or hematopoiesis. RBC. Red blood cells or RBC are also known as erythrocytes. The formation of RBC is called erythropoiesis. The red color of RBC is because of the pigment called hemoglobin. In the early stages of embryogenesis, blood cells are found in the yolk sac called blood islands. With the development of an embryo, the blood formation occurs in the spleen, liver, and lymph nodes. Bone marrow is formed in adults. RBCs are biconcave in shape and have no nucleus except in the camel and llama. They help in the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Every 1 milliliter of human blood contains 5 million RBC in a man. In a woman, it is 4.5 million RBC for every milliliter of blood. The lifespan of RBC in humans is about 120 days. The worn-out RBCs get destroyed in the liver and spleen. WBC. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. The formation of WC is called leukopoiesis. Due to the absence of hemoglobin, WBCs are colorless. They are nucleated. WCs are larger than RBCs in size, but are fewer in number. The total leukocytes are around 6,000 to 10,000 per 1 milliliter of blood. There are 2 types of WBC: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes. Granulocytes contain cytoplasmic granules. These are also called polymorphonuclear leukocytes, since the nucleus is divided into lobes. Granulocytes are further divided into neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. They fight and destroy the microorganisms that enter the blood. Neutrophils secrete antibodies that fight against any foreign material that enters into the blood. Hence, they are also known as a microscopic policeman. Some WBC die while fighting the foreign bodies and come out of the body as pus. Agranulocytes. In agranulocytes, the cytoplasmic granules are absent and the nucleus is not divided into lobes. Agranulocytes are further classified into lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are small spherical cells that consist of a spherical nucleus and a peripheral cytoplasm. B lymphocytes produce antibodies, while the T lymphocytes play an important role in the immunological reactions of the body. Monocytes. Monocytes constitute about 5.3% of the leukocytes. They have a kidney-shaped nucleus. Monocytes move like amoeba and attack foreign materials. The foreign materials are destroyed inside the cells. Hence, they are also called scavengers. Blood platelets. Blood platelets are also called thrombocytes. Platelets are colorless, non-nucleated, and round disc-like projections. They are produced from the megakaryocytes that are formed in the red bone marrow. The lifespan of blood platelets is about 5 to 9 days. In case of an injury of a blood vessel, blood platelets occupy the place of injury and make a blood clot. This helps in preventing any further blood loss. Karl Landsteiner, a German doctor in 1902, developed ABO blood groupings for human beings. He divided them into A, B, AB, and O groups. Persons with AB group may receive blood from any other group, and hence they are called universal recipients. Persons with O group may donate blood to any other group, and hence they are called universal donors.